how to create or open Shein account. So if you want to create or register to Shein account, then first, so you can open up any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Shein. Once you've searched, here you will have Shein.com right on the first search. Click on the first search. And if you want to create your account, then you can simply go for the upper right, which has that profile, and then go for sign in or register. And once you go for sign in or register, here you can continue with your Google or you can continue with your Facebook. So I'll be entering my email or phone number. So enter your email or your phone number. And once you enter your email address, click on continue. And once you click on continue, if you don't have an account, a Shein account on that email address, then it will take you to create your account page. But if you have already created an account with that mail, then it will take you to the login page. So here you can create your password. Make sure to enter a strong password. And once you've created your password, you can go for style preference and then you can choose your style. And you can click on this box so that you agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And click on register. And here you need to enter your phone number. So first choose your country code. You can either choose Canada or United States, and then you need to enter your phone number and you need to enter the verification code that you would receive on the phone number that you have just entered. If you don't like to verify, or if you are outside Canada or United States, then you can simply skip that part. And that's it. You have successfully registered your account. So that's how you create your Shein account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.